When you service your vehicle with Downey Nissan, not only is your car in the best hands, but so are you. At Downey Nissan, we're dedicated to keeping your vehicle in top-notch shape with a wide array of services. And for your regular maintenance like oil changes and tire rotations, you can pull up and pull off in a snap with our express service. No appointment needed. With early and late night drop-off times and convenient online scheduling, finding an appointment that works around your schedule is a breeze. Use our online scheduling tool to choose a time that fits your calendar, and rest assured that we'll be ready to assist you promptly. Your wait may not be long, but it will definitely be comfortable. Our plush waiting area comes with some tasty refreshments, high-speed Wi-Fi, and a big screen TV. And if you brought the kids along, there's a super fun, dedicated play area just for them. When it comes to service and repairs, we believe transparency is king. That's why every service visit comes complete with a detailed digital video report on your vehicle's condition. That means you see what we see, then decide for yourself. Sometimes leaving the house isn't an option. For times like these, try our service at-home pickup and delivery service. You can stay in your pajamas. Experience exceptional care and convenience at Downey Nissan, where everyone buys.